Welcome students. Lesson number 4, ratio and proportion. Now the point is operation on equal ratios. There are 5 operations on equal ratios. Number 1 is invertendo. If there are 2 ratios given, A upon B is equal to C upon D are the equal ratios. Then the ratio B upon A is equal to D upon C is called invertendo. That is, here we interchange the numerator and denominator of both the ratio. Now second is alternando. If A upon B is equal to C upon B are two ratios, then the ratio of their numerators is equal to ratio of their denominators. That is, A upon C is equal to B upon D is called as a alternando. Number 3 is a componendo. If the ratios are A upon B is equal to C upon D, then the numerator plus denominator upon denominator for first ratio is equal to, for second ratio, numerator plus denominator upon denominator is called as a componendo. So if A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon B is equal to C plus D upon D is called as a componendo. Then dividendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A minus B upon B is equal to C minus D upon D is called dividendo. That is, for the first ratio, numerator minus denominator upon denominator is equal to, for the second ratio, C minus, that is numerator minus denominator upon denominator is called as a dividendo. And number 5 is the componendo dividendo. If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. Then that is, in the numerator we write the sum of the numerator and denominator, and in the denominator we write the subtraction of numerator and denominator, that is numerator minus denominator for both the ratios. Practice set 4.3. Question number 1. If A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3, then find the values of the following ratios. Example number 1. 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. Here we have given A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3. But in example, coefficient of A is a 5 and coefficient of B is a 3. Therefore, here we have to multiply this A by 5 and this B by 3. Therefore, we multiply both sides of this equation by 5 upon 3. So A upon B into 5 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 3 into 5 upon 3. Therefore 5A upon 3B is equal to 7 5s are 35. 35 upon 3 into 3 is a 9. Now here 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B is componendo dividendo. Therefore we write here componendo dividendo, that is numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator is equal to, here also we apply componendo dividendo, that is 35 plus 9 upon 35 minus 9, and reason is by componendo dividendo is equal to 35 plus 9 is a 44 and 35 minus 9 is a 26. Therefore if we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, it will get 22 upon 13. Therefore 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b is equal to 22 upon 13 is equal to 22:13 is the required ratio. Now example number 2. Here we have given a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3, but in example there are the terms a square and b square. Therefore we have to square this equation on both sides. There will be a square upon b square is equal to 7 square upon 3 square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Therefore a square upon b square is equal to 7 square is 49 and 3 square is 9. Now coefficient of a square is 2 and coefficient of b square is 3. Therefore we have to multiply this a square by 2 and this b square by 3. Therefore we have to multiply the both sides by 2 upon 3 is equal to 49 upon 9 into 2 upon 3. Therefore it will be 2a square upon 3b square is equal to 49 into 2 is 98 upon 9 3s are 27. Now here 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. This is a componendo dividendo. Therefore applying componendo dividendo for these terms, we have 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 98 plus 27 upon 98 minus 27 is equal to 98 plus 27 is 125 and 98 minus 27 is 71. Therefore 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square is equal to 125 upon 71 is equal to 125:71 is the value of required ratio. Example number 3. A cube minus b cube upon b cube. Now here a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. Now here in the example there is a cube of a and cube of b. Therefore we have to make cube of the both terms. So we write here a cube upon b cube is equal to 7 cube upon 3 cube. Now a cube upon b cube is equal to 7 cube is 343 and 3 cube is 27. Now here a cube minus b cube upon b cube, it is a dividendo. Therefore a cube minus b cube upon b cube is equal to 343 minus 27 upon 27. This is by dividendo. So is equal to 343 minus 27 is 316 upon 27. Therefore a cube minus b cube upon b cube is equal to 316:27. Now example number 4. 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. here also a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. But in the example, coefficient of a is a 7 and coefficient of b is a 9. Therefore, we have to multiply this a by 7 and b by 9. Therefore, we have to multiply by 7 upon 9 on the both sides of this equation. 7 upon 3 into 7 upon 9. Therefore, it will be 7a upon 9b is equal to 7 7 are 49 upon 27. Now here 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b means it is a componendo dividendo. Therefore 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equal to componendo 49 plus 27 upon 49 minus 27 by componendo dividendo. Componendo dividendo. 49 plus 27 is 76 and 49 minus 27 is 22. Therefore 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equal to, divide 76 and 22 by 2, then we will get 38 upon 11. So it will be 38 is to 11. Question number 2. If 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7, then find the values of the following ratios. Number 1 is a upon b. Here we have given componendo dividendo. So in order to find the values of a upon b, we take once again componendo dividendo for this ratio. So given ratio is 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. Now take componendo dividendo on both sides. Therefore we have 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 plus 7 upon 47 minus 7, and reason is by componendo dividendo. Therefore 15a square plus 4b square plus 15a square minus 4b square divided by 15a square plus 4b square. Due to this minus sign, signs in bracket will change, so it will be minus 15a square plus 4b square is equal to 47 plus 7 is 54 upon 47 minus 7 is 40. Therefore here will be now this 4b square and this minus 4b square will get cancelled. 15a square plus 15a square will be 30a square upon this 15a square and minus 15a square will get cancelled. Now 4b square plus 4b square, it will be 8b square is equal to 54 upon 40. Therefore a square upon b square is equal to 54 upon 40 into this 30 upon 8 will be in the right side, it will become 8 upon 30. Now 8 5s are 40 and 6 5s are 30 and 6 9s are 54. Therefore we get value a square upon b square is equal to 9 in the numerator, and in denominator 5 into 5 will be 25. Therefore a upon b is equal to, taking a square root on both sides, that is square root of 9 is a 3 and square root of 25 is a 5. Therefore we have a value a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Here we write taking square root on both sides. Therefore our answer is a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Now we have to find the ratio of value of ratio 3a minus 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. Now we have a value a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. We want here 7a, so we have to multiply a by 7, and we want here 3b, therefore we have to multiply b by 3. Therefore we have to multiply a upon b by 7 upon 3, so is equal to 3 upon 5 into 7 upon 3. Therefore 7a upon 3b is equal to 7 3s are 21 upon 5 3s are 15. Therefore it is a 7a upon 3b is equal to 21 upon 15. Now we have to take the componendo dividendo, that is a 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to 21 plus 15 upon 21 minus 15. Therefore 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to 21 plus 15, it will be 36, and 21 minus 15 it will be 6. So if we divide it by 2, then we will get 18 upon 3. 18 upon 3. Now here we want the value 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b, and here the step is by componendo dividendo. Componendo dividendo, and our value is 3a 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to 18 upon 3. This 18 upon 3 we can write as 6 upon 1 also. Now we want value 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b, it is the invertendo, so is equal to, it will 6 upon 1 will be 1 upon 6, and it is the invertendo. So this is our answer. Question number 2, example number 3, b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. We have to find the value of this ratio, and we have a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5, but in the example there is a square and b square. Therefore we have to square the both sides of this equation. Therefore we write a square upon b square is equal to 3 square upon 5 square, and reason is the squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Therefore we have a square upon b square is equal to 9 upon 25. Now let's see in the example, there is a coefficient of a square is a 2. Therefore we have to multiply this a square by 2, and we have to multiply a square upon b square into 2 upon 1 is equal to 9 upon 25 into 2 upon 1. Therefore 2a square upon b square is equal to 18 upon 25. 18 upon 25. Now here the terms are b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2 square. As the term of b square is a come at first, therefore term of b square here will be in the numerator. Therefore we have to take the invertendo of this ratio. Therefore we have b square upon 2a square is equal to 25 upon 18, and this is due to by invertendo. Now let's see. Now take componendo dividendo, that is a b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equal to 25 plus 18 upon 25 minus 18 is equal to 25 plus 18 is 43, and 25 minus 18 is 7, and here is the reason by componendo dividendo. By componendo dividendo. Thus value of b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equal to 43 upon 7. But we want the value of b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. Therefore here we have to take invertendo. Therefore b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square is equal to invertendo is 7 upon 43. We write reason by invertendo. Therefore b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square is equal to 7:43. Now example number 4. b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube, and here we have the ratio a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. In the example there are terms of a cube and b cube. Therefore we have to make a cube of these two ratios on both sides. Therefore a cube upon b cube is equal to 3 cube upon 5 cube. Therefore a cube upon b cube is equal to 3 cube is a 27. 3 cube is 27 and 5 cube is a 125. Now let's see, here the coefficient of a cube is a 2. Therefore we have to multiply this a cube by 2, means the numerator means on the both sides we have to multiply 2 upon 1. Therefore a cube upon b cube into 2 upon 1 is equal to 27 upon 125 into 2 upon 2 upon 1. Therefore, it will be 2a cube upon b cube is equal to 54 upon 125. Now we have value b cube minus 2a cube and upon b cube plus 2a cube. So b cube is there at first. Therefore, here b cube must be in the numerator. Therefore, we have to take the invertendo of this step. Therefore, we write b cube upon 2a cube is equal to 125 upon 54, and the reason is by invertendo. Now here the term is a b cube plus twice a cube, and there is the term b cube minus twice a cube. Therefore, we have to take the componendo dividendo. Therefore, b cube plus twice a cube upon b cube minus twice a cube is equal to 125 plus 54 upon 125 minus 54. 125 plus 54 is a 179, and this will be 71. That is 125 minus 54 will be 71. Now we have value b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube is equal to 179 upon 71. But we want the value of b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. Therefore, we have to take the invertendo of this step. So we write b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube is equal to 71 upon 179, and by invertendo. Reason is by invertendo. Therefore, b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube is equal to 71 is to 179. Question number 3. If 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 3, then find the value of ratio 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square. So we have given here 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 3. Now in this ratio on the LHS there is a componendo dividendo, and we have to find at first value of a upon b. Therefore, we take once again componendo dividendo. Therefore, we write 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b minus 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3, and reason is by componendo dividendo. By componendo dividendo. Therefore, 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b. Due to this minus sign, signs in bracket will change. This will become minus 3, and this minus 7b will be plus 7b. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is a 7, and 4 minus 3 is a 1. Now here plus 7b and minus 7b will get cancelled. Now 3a plus 3a, it will be 6a upon here 7b, here 3a and minus 3 will get cancelled. 7b plus 7b, it will be 14b is equal to 7 upon 1. Therefore a upon b is equal to 7 upon 1 into this 6 upon 14. On the right side it will become 14 upon 6. So divide 14 and 6 by 2. 2 7 are 14 and 2 3 are 6. Therefore a upon b is equal to 7 into 7, that is a 49 upon 3. Therefore value of a upon b is a 49 upon 3. This value we have to find from the given ratio, and we have to find the value of this ratio now. And in this ratio we have the terms a square and b square, and here we get a upon b is equal to 49 upon 3. Therefore we have to square on both sides of this equation in order to get the terms a square and b square. Therefore we have a square upon b square is equal to 49 square upon 3 square. We write here squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Therefore a square upon b square is equal to 49 square is a 2401 and 3 square is a 9 here. Now let's see, we want the coefficient of a square as a 3 and coefficient of b square as a 7. Therefore we multiply a square upon b square by 3 upon 7 is equal to 2401 upon 9 into 3 upon 7. Therefore it will be 3a square upon 7b square is equal to 3 3s are 9, and if we divide this 2401 by 7, it will get 343. So it will be 343 upon 3 here. Now we want the terms 3a square plus 7b square and 3a square minus 7b square. So it will be possible by componendo and dividendo. Therefore we take a componendo dividendo on both sides. Therefore 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 343 plus 3 upon 343 minus 3, and reason is by componendo dividendo. By componendo dividendo. Therefore 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 343 plus 3 will be 346 upon 343 minus 3 will be 340. Now if we divide the numerator and denominator by 2, then we will get 173 upon 170. Now we want the value of 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square. Therefore we have to take the invertendo of this ratio. Therefore 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square is equal to 170 upon 173. It is a by invertendo. Therefore now our final answer is therefore 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square is equal to 170 is to 173. Now students, we will solve question number 4 in next video.